If you have been unable to successfully rework or repair your cleaning head in your Henry Hoover as highlighted in the previous video, here I will be showing you how to swap your defective cleaning head altogether for a brand new pneumatic floor tool. The swapping process basically entails pulling the stainless steel rod away from the pneumatic floor tool. So basically, whilst pulling it away, you twist the rod left and right as you pull the rod away from the assembly. And so you can see, just around the perimeter of the stainless steel rod, we've got some, water residue there. It was airtight, watertight. So you do have some internal friction or viscosity in there, and that made the separation of the floor tool from the stainless steel rod somewhat laborious. But, with the right technique, you should be able to get it off relatively easily. Okay. And so, to the left of me host, you've got the non-defective floor tool, and to the right of me host, you've got the defective floor tool that was taken off the stainless steel rod. And so here, this is the non-defective or brand new pneumatic Henry floor tool. And so here, I will be repeating the process of the removal of the cleaning floor tool, which was defective from the stainless steel rod, so that you get a clearer picture of the removal process, of the floor tool head. So this is the defective floor tool. So I will hold the floor tool on one side and hold the stainless steel rod on the other side and begin to twist in an alternating side to side movement twist, or a 9 to 3 cyclic rhythmic movement. So here I am installing the new floor tool head, or the non-defective floor tool. And so basically the old floor tool has been swapped, for a brand new floor tool, and the primary difference is in the dimension. So when selecting your floor tool head, just make sure that it's bespoke to the model of your Henry Hoover. And here you can see that the pedal tool and the receptacle or retractable brushes in the defective floor head doesn't latch onto the carpet properly, as opposed to the brand new one which latches onto the carpet and provides a better surface suction and drag connection, during hoovering. You can get the original OEM aftermarket floor tool, or you can get an alternative spare that does just about the same job, the same quality, but the primary difference would be in the dimension. Okay, and whichever is cost effective for you, they're out there in the market. So by all means, make sure that it's bespoke or tailored to your model. The model of the Henry Hoover is the HVR 200A, and the new cleaning head has got a 270mm floor tool and a 32mm connection. And you can see that the new floor tool is slightly smaller than the cleaning head of the old floor tool. But, it doesn't make a significant difference. It's still as effective in terms of performance. Click on the link in the description for how to clean your Henry Hoover, how to change your toss bag, how to use your fresheners, to get rid of the rancid or pungent smell in your Henry Hoover, and also how to repair or rework a defective cleaning head tool, okay, or the floor tool, okay. And that's about it really. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, help the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. Goodbye.